Hello, I'm very quick. Try to press down on my tail. Uh-oh, my tail can fall off. But don't worry, I'm still alive and can run away. Do you know who I am? See the answer at the end of the video. Please don't touch my leaves. I'm busy looking at the clouds. Uh-oh, I closed them right away. Can you guess what I am? Find out at the end of the video. Hello, I'm not always this small. Just wait and see what happens if you scare me by shouting something silly, like cabbage. Puff! I blow up big and round like a balloon. Guess my name. The answer will be at the end. Psst! Over here. I'm scared of nothing, not even lions. Roar as loudly as you can. Shing! I curl up into a ball with my tough brown scales, just like armor. Who do you think I am? The answer's waiting at the end. Something funny happens when I hear songs, so please don't sing oodly oodly oo to me. Shoop! I change my colors just like magic. Have you figured me out? Check your answer at the end of the video. Oh, you! Show me your scariest face. Go on. Ah! Ha! My quills are even scarier. So can you tell who I am? Check if you're right at the end. I try to stay calm, but I forget why. So no sudden moves, okay? Uh-oh! Ink everywhere. Do you know what I am? You'll see the answer very soon. Meet the characters. Gecko, porcupine, chameleon, pangolin, pufferfish, octopus, touch me not,